Hi, and congratulations on your recent purchase of the new Zemits SonoSilk Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. I'm Sarah, and today we'll be going over how to set it up and how to test it before your training. When you open up your box, the first thing you'll see is your Zemits SonoSilk on its charging base. And under that, you've got your charging cable and a small plastic bottle that you'll use to fill up the water reservoir located on the back of the device. Now that we've got all of our accessories out, I'm going to go over how to set up your SonoSilk and get it ready for the actual treatment. So the first part is going to be to fill up the water reservoir tank located on the back of your system. I've already filled mine with distilled water using the bottle that comes in my set. So what you'll do first is fill this bottle with water, just by opening up, filling it right there. Again, distilled water only. And to fill it, you'll open up the small plastic opening right here, align the small bottle with that hole, and just squeeze the water in. Super easy to fill up. Close it back up, put on the back cover, and using the little transparent part right here, you can see exactly where your water level's at. Now, to operate the actual system, click once to turn it on, and this will start your mist by clicking it again. Click it one more time, and you've activated the actual ultrasonic part. Now, because I know you can hear this a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. But again, in order to get the mist out, you wanna tilt it down. When you're doing extractions, exfoliation, you're using it in this direction, always in the direction of the natural lymphatic flow. If you're doing product infusion, which is the last setting on here, you'll flip it and use it against the skin like so, again, in direction of lymphatic flow. Super easy system. If for any reason it's not functioning properly, make sure you call our Zemits customer support team and we'll walk you through the troubleshooting steps. But just to briefly go over it now, make sure that, again, you're only using distilled water in the system. If you're using regular water, undistilled water, minerals may build up in the actual ultrasonic port itself, and that might be what's clogging it up and not allowing the mist to come out. So that's really the only reason your system might not be working. Other than that, always make sure that it's charged. If it's not charged, it'll let you know. And to charge it, just place it on the actual charging port. Take your charger cable, connect one end directly to the back and the other end to a USB directly to its own power source. If you're charging it on a power surge adapter or something like that, it might cause the system not to fully charge. So make sure you have it plugged into its own power source. Other than that, you definitely should be ready to go for your training. Again, if you have any questions or if anything we went over today is not functioning properly, make sure you give a call to our Zemits customer support team so we can get you up and running and set you up for success with your new Zemits SonoSilk.